Welcome back to another SolidWorks tutorial. In this video, we will model an elbow pipe. We will build it using swept boss/base with a circular profile. Let's get started. On the front plane, we create the sweep path sketch. Start a sketch and use lines and arcs to draw this path shape. Draw the first line here and set its length. Set the line length to 130 millimeters. Now at a tangent arc, set the arc radius to 62 millimeters. The tangent arc tool automatically makes the arc tangent to the previous line. Now draw the next line and make it tangent to the arc. Set this line length to 180 millimeters. Now select Swept Boss/Base. Use Circular Profile for the sweep. The pipe diameter is 140 millimeters, based on the drawing. Enter 140 millimeters for the profile diameter. Select the path, enable Thin Feature, and set the wall thickness to 1 millimeter. Click OK. The elbow is created successfully. As you can see, it is a completely hollow elbow. If we use a section view, you can confirm the inside is hollow. Now let's create the end flanges on this side and the other side. Click this end face and start a new sketch. Draw an outer circle with this diameter. Set the outer diameter to 250 millimeters. Then click the inner edge and use Convert Entities, so the hole matches the pipe opening. Now extrude this flange by 30 millimeters. Now let's create the flange on the other end too. This side also has a 250 millimeter diameter. Start another sketch. On this face, start the sketch. Hover on the circle to reveal the center point. Draw the circle again and set it to 250 millimeters. Use Convert Entities again for the inner circle. Then extrude at 30 millimeters. Click OK. The second flange is done. Now let's create the bolt holes on these flanges using circular pattern. Start a sketch on this face. Draw a circle here. Create a center line through the middle as a reference. This center line gives us a clean center reference for dimensions. Make the circle center coincident to the center line. Then set the hole diameter. Set the hole diameter to 30 millimeters. Now set the distance from the part center to this hole center. Set that distance to 95 millimeters. Now use Extruded Cut to create the hole. Set the end condition to up to next, so it cuts exactly to the next face. Now in Features, choose Circular Pattern. Select the Cut Extrude as the feature to pattern. For direction, select this circular edge. Set the number of instances to 4, then click OK. Great. This side is done. Now let's create the holes on the other flange. Start a sketch on this face. Draw another circle. Set the hole diameter to 30 millimeters. Set its distance from the origin to 95 millimeters. Add that 95 millimeter dimension. Also add a vertical relation with the origin, so it stays centered. Use Extruded Cut again. Set it to up to next. Then use circular pattern to copy this hole. Set the count to 8. In Features, select the cut feature you just created. For direction, select the circular edge. Then set the number of instances to 8. Click OK. Now this side is complete too. The model is complete. Now let's give it a realistic material. Go to Appearances, then Metals, then Steel. Choose carbon steel for a more realistic look. Set the background to plain white and enable RealView graphics. Now let's also get a quick introduction to rendering. To render, go to SolidWorks add-ins. Enable PhotoView 360 first. If PhotoView 360 is not active, you need to turn it on. Go to Tools, then scroll down and choose Add-ins. Find PhotoView 360 in the list. Check PhotoView 360 and click OK. Now it becomes active. Now go to the Render Tools tab. If you do not see it, right-click the tabs at the top. Go to Tabs and enable Render Tools. Now click Final Render to create a simple render. This option controls the camera angle. For now, we will ignore it. Just click the Render button here. Now wait for the rendering process to finish. It can take a little time. If your computer is faster, the render will finish quicker. Rendering has started. You can see the progress in this area. Let's wait until the render completes. Done. The render is finished, and the image looks much more realistic. You can save this image from here. Choose any folder path you want and save it there. That was today's exercise. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.